Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a dark theme extension for your Chrome. There's a dark theme or dark mode built in on your Chrome. For example, you can go to the appearance on settings, and this is you can go with the dark mode. But if you feel bored with this dark mode, you can download a dark theme instead using a built-in dark mode on your Chrome. So you can go to the Chrome web store.google.com and click themes, and here we go. You can search for dark and black. Here you can click, and there are a ton of dark and black theme that you can download. So for example, this one, the dark theme for Google Chrome, dark browse theme. The best dark Chrome theme for your web browser is simple and coherent. Or you can try this one, into the black hole through AMOLED black theme. Let's try it. Just click add to Chrome, and let's start open new tab. As you can see, this is a pitch black Google Chrome. So here, in order to go back to the default, you can click on three dot at top right corner of your screen, go to the settings and click appearance, and here we go. This is the theme. You can reset to the default, and let's see. Now this is the dark mode default by Google. And also you can try another pitch black or glossy dark glossy theme, all black, aero, extra black, and so on. So feel free to try to darken your browser. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. See you in the next video.